Due to its antibacterial characteristics, ginger is a common home treatment for treating colds and coughs. But in addition to these health advantages, ginger can also be highly useful for hair. It can assist in preventing scalp infections and keeping your hair strong and healthy when used as part of your daily hair care regimen. The main advantage of using ginger juice on hair is the prevention of dandruff or seborrheic dermatitis. Malassezia, a yeast infection that results in irritating flakes and redness on the scalp, is what causes dandruff. Additionally, utilizing antifungal substances aids in reducing its spread. Strong antifungal properties of ginger can help reduce dandruff. The ginger rhizome's most prevalent active ingredient, gingerol, is what gives it its antibacterial properties. Since ginger has an anti-inflammatory impact, using it on your hair will help reduce inflammation and ease the persistent itching brought on by dandruff. How to use ginger for hair? Your body is able to fight off many infections if you consume ginger as part of your daily diet. It can be included into a variety of recipes and can improve the flavor profile of your food. However, applying ginger topically to your scalp is the best way to use it for your hair. The yeast infection can be controlled and your scalp can be soothed by putting ginger juice on your hair. Ginger juice is simple to make. Grate some fresh, uncooked ginger to extract the juice, then filter it through a sieve. Apply it to your entire scalp and let it sit there for 15 to 20 minutes. Use one of our mild, organic shampoos to rinse, then condition your hair as usual. You can repeat this procedure twice weekly until your irritation and dandruff are under control. For ginger juice for hair, you can also puree the ginger and strain it. Other ginger benefits for hair. In addition to gingerol, ginger has a number of other active substances such as pyridol, shogaol, zingerone, and flavonoids that have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antibacterial effects that may be helpful for preserving a healthy scalp. Here are a few more advantages of ginger for hair. Soothes irritated scalp. The strong anti-inflammatory effect can help provide relief from itching and redness caused by infections, as well as the use of harsh hair care products that leave your scalp dry and irritated. Nourishes hair follicles. Ginger can boost blood circulation to your scalp when applied topically. This can help deliver essential nutrients to your hair follicles and keep them well nourished and help the hair growth cycle. Keeps scalp healthy. Ginger can prevent various bacterial and fungal infections of the scalp and reduce inflammation to keep your scalp clean and healthy. Reduces hair fall. By keeping our hair follicles well nourished with required nutrients and fighting off scalp infections like dandruff, ginger can help retain the thickness of your hair and reduce hair fall. Protects hair from damage. The antioxidants found in ginger neutralize free radicals, and reduce oxidative stress inflicted on your hair by environmental aggressors such as pollution, smoke, and UV rays emitted by the sun. Various methods of using ginger for hair. Cold-pressed coconut oil can be infused for a couple of weeks in the sun with dried ginger. After filtering the oil, massage your scalp with it. To keep dandruff under control, apply this twice a week before shampooing. Apply a mixture of ginger puree and cold-pressed jojoba oil to your entire scalp. Before rinsing it off with a gentle shampoo, let it sit on for at least 30 minutes. Once a week until the condition improves, apply this hair mask. To calm your scalp and fight infections, dilute the ginger essential oil with cold-pressed coconut oil and use it as a hair oil. To prevent skin irritations and negative effects, it is recommended to use essential oils in mixtures at a concentration of no more than 1%. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.